discouraged right now, pretty frustrated, pretty mad. I had an emergency strategy session with Craig this morning because after like 7 months of just killing myself, denying myself, being consistent, working hard, eating right, working out, you know, all the things that I need to be doing, I stepped on the scale this morning and I put a couple pounds back on, which, you know, I know that the scale is a liar and it's not a great measurement for actual overall health and things like that. But when you're working towards a goal, and I did say I was going to try to hit 200 by July 1, you want to see that scale moving in the right direction, you know what I mean? So, a little bit deflated today. So we're dialing it up, dialing it in. I'm going to be doing like 3-a-days in the gym for the next couple of weeks. You know, that 200 mark, that's a pretty audacious goal, but, you know, I don't like to set goals and not hit them, you know what I mean? So maybe it's about the pride, I don't know. But I am going to go after it, and, you know, we've dialed in the nutrition. I'm kind of right where I need to be on the protein and all of that, but we're cutting back on the carbs, cutting back on the fats, things like that. Just going to really tweak it. And, you know, this is a pretty short period of time. It's like 2 weeks until we get to July 1, and you know, I feel like I can do anything for 2 weeks, you know. So if it's really strict for the next couple of weeks, I don't want to bounce back after that 2 weeks, but I do want to dial it in and do so that even if I don't hit it, at least at the end of that 2 weeks, I can say I did it. You know, I did my best. I tried my hardest. I gave it my all. So, you know, that's kind of where we're at, and I'm slightly scared. But I'm gonna go to the gym right now and try to slay some of this fat a little bit. But if you know, all of you guys who are in on this, like if you've ever tried to do any sort of weight loss or body transformation, like you totally get the drill. Like it's just frustrating sometimes, you know. And so a lot of my videos, I'm on here and I'm like, yeah, I'm down another 2 pounds. Yeah, I'm down another 4 pounds. Yeah. And I don't often show whenever I'm like frustrated because all my hard work doesn't seem to be working right now, you know. So that's what I'm doing today. I don't want to be, you know, there. So if you're there, you're not alone. I'm here with you, but we can do this together. So what are your goals? Comment down below. Let me know, you know, how I can be encouraging you, how I can be, you know, how we can be cheering each other on. I need some cheering on right now, so you guys, you know, help me out, and I'll be there for you as well. I'll be there for you when the scale starts to go. Anyway, love you guys. Let's go.
guys, it's been like a week now since all of my working out and everything I've changed about my diet and my exercise and all of that, and I don't know if I've ever worked out this hard in my life. Like, I'm seriously, I look like I've jumped in the ocean after every workout a couple times a day. I'm just like having to wash clothes all the time. And so the good news is I am down another 4 pounds. So I had put on a couple of pounds and I've got that back off, plus lost another. So I've been kind of going 215, 216 depending. I'm weighing every single day just to make sure I'm trying to hit those marks. That's still a lot to go. That's the bad news. I've got a week left now, and that's a lot to try to lose in a week. So I'm not giving up, right? But I'll keep you guys posted, and when I'll hit that 200, hopefully I'll hit that 200 before July 1st. But if not, you know, at least I can say I went down swinging and did my best and tried my hardest, and I'm sure that the 200 will be not too far behind that. So, you know, sometimes your body just resists, you know, it gets used to the program, gets used to all that, and you just gotta pivot and change and do whatever you gotta do. You gotta be honest with yourself about what is going into your body. You gotta be honest with yourself about how hard you're actually working, and then just get after it. And so, man, I'm just being brutally honest with myself about every single thing that goes into my body and everything that I'm doing to sort of exercise the demons, or whatever you want to call it. Oh, exercise those little fat demons. So we'll see. But anyway, I know you guys are all in this with me, and I'm in there with you as well. So make sure you comment down below. What are your goals? What are you doing to hit your goals? You know, this is, if you don't do something every day, you know, to reach your goal, the likelihood that you're going to hit it is not really that high. It doesn't mean don't rest, but, you know, you just gotta actually do the work that you need to do. So that's what this is about. This is about me coming to you guys, just being brutally honest that I've been discouraged, and it's okay to be discouraged, but discouragement shouldn't leave you paralyzed from actually moving forward. So sometimes you just gotta switch gears and do something different. So that's what we're doing, and I love you guys. Can't wait till I get to come back on here and tell you I hit 200. But love you guys. See you next time. Bye.
For your name's sake, you